Square tricks. So the first thing we're having here is 11 square. To get 11 square, we'll say 1 square will give you 1 plus, after 11, the next thing we have is 12. 2 plus 0, 2, 1, 2, 1. 2 square will give you 4. 12. Now what we'll be doing, we'll be adding 2 to whatever we are having here. So if we add 2 to 12, it will give you 14. 4 plus 0, 4, 1, 4, 4. 3 square will give you 9. 14 plus 2 will give you 16. 6 plus 0 will give you 6. That's 1, 6, 9. 4 square will give you 16. 16 plus 2 will give you 18. 8 plus 1 will give you 9. 1, 9, 6. 5 square will give you 25 plus 18 plus 2 will give you 20. 0 plus 2 will give you 2. That's 2, 2, 5. 6 square will give you 36 plus 20 plus 2 will give you 22. This is equals to 2 plus 5 will give you 2 plus 3 will give you 5. That's 2, 5, 6. The next thing we have here is 17 square. 7 square will give you 49 plus, the last thing we're having here is 22. 22 plus 2 will give you 24. 4 plus 4 will give you 8. 2, 8, 9. 8 square will give you 64 plus 24 plus 2 will give you 26. 6 plus 6 will give you 12. Move the 1 to the other side, making 2 to be 3. 3, 2, 4. 9 square will give you 81 plus 26 plus 2 will give you 28. 8 plus 8 will give you 16. Move the 1 to this other side, that's 3, 6, 1. Now just imagine there is 1 here, making here 10 since it's 20. 10 square will give you 100 plus 28 plus 2 is 30. 3 plus 1, 4, 400. 11 square will give you 121. 30 plus 2 will give you 32. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 2, 4, and 1. 12 square will give you 144 plus 32 plus 2 will give you 34. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 and 4. 23 square will give you. Do this and leave it in the comment section.